Welcome back. In this video, we'll introduce the loops in Java. The while loop is a type of loop that allows you to repeat a block of code as long as a specific condition is true. The loop will keep executing the code until the condition becomes false. It's a powerful tool for repetitive tasks or for performing actions while a certain condition remains valid. The basic syntax of a while loop is as follows. We start with the while keyword, and here we put the condition and two curly braces. The condition will be tested. If it is true, then the while loop will keep executing this block of code. I want from you to write these notes on your copybook and your notebook in order to refer to them later on when you need to review anything related to while loop or conditions or the basic syntax of Java. Let's create a simple example of using while loop to print numbers from 1 to 5. I'll start with int number equal to 1. This is a variable called number of type int, a value of 1. While I'll replace this condition for number, checking for a number. If it is less than or equal to 5, I need to print out system.out.println the number. I need to print the number. But wait. And here I need to increase the number by 1. This is a post increment. I can put like this, number equal to number plus 1. Or I can make a shortcut for this and put plus plus. So this will increase the number by 1 every time the loop will be executed. So in this example, the while loop starts with the condition number is less than 5. Yes, it's 1. 1 less than 5. As long as the number is less than or equal to 5, the loop will continue to execute. Inside the loop, we print the value of number, and then we increment it by 1 with a number plus plus. This process repeats until the number becomes 6. So it becomes 2, becomes 3, 4. The condition is true, so go and execute the loop again. 5 is less than or equal. Yes, it's equal to 5. Then go and print again 5 and increase number by 1. Number becomes 6. 6 is less than or equal to 5? No, this is false. So it will skip, it will break, it will exit the loop. Let's try to run the program and see the result. And here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Every time we print the number and increase it by 1, every iteration in this loop will increase the number and print it. It's crucial to ensure that the loop condition can eventually become false. Otherwise, you may end up with an infinite loop which continuously runs and never stops. Let me show you. If we remove this increment condition or increasing the condition, number is less than 5. It will execute the number, it will print it, and will go up, check the number. Yes, number becomes 1. Again, number will still equal to 1. So this condition is always true. So this loop will generate infinite loop, infinite execution of this condition. And this is eventually harmful and never stops. Let's try to run our program and generate an infinite loop. You can see now that we're generating an infinite numbers of ones. And you can see the program is still printing number 1 because there is no limit to stop this loop. So please pay attention because it's very crucial and very serious problem.